In this video, Fitness Feast brings top 5 whey protein of 2021. Watch this video till end to understand what is whey protein and what are advantages of consuming whey protein. Whey protein is made up from a milk. Milk have two main types of protein, casein and whey. Whey is found in watery portion of the milk. When cheese is made, the whey is extracted as the byproduct from the cheese. Despite from taking it as a byproduct, whey protein is still a complete protein with 9 essential amino acids. In at number 1 we have Syntha-6 Whey Protein Powder from the company BSN. Syntha-6 is one of the best whey protein supplement available in market. Ingredients of per serving of Syntha-6 are 22 grams protein and 10 grams of essential amino acids. Syntha-6 is helping many athletes and bodybuilders to achieve their fitness goal. Per serving of Syntha-6 costs $1.02 per serving. It is available in 6 sizes and 6 flavors. These flavors are banana, chocolate milkshake, chocolate and peanut butter, cookies and creams, strawberry milkshake and vanilla ice cream. In order to take Syntha-6, take its 1 scoop and 4 to 5 ounces of water. Shake well, drink and achieve your fitness goals. In at number 2 we have Combat Whey Protein Powder from the company Muscle Pharm. Combat Whey Protein contains 25 grams protein, BCAA and combination of 5 different protein which are easily and quickly digestible. Combat Whey Protein is also gluten-free. Combat Whey Protein helps in muscle building and muscle recovery. We can also consume Combat Whey Protein as pre-workout supplement for providing our body with endurance and energy for workout. Per serving of Combat Whey Protein costs $1.04 per serving. It is available in 4 sizes and 3 flavors. These flavors are chocolate milk, cookies, and cream and vanilla. Directions for taking Combat Whey is to mix its 1 scoop and 10 to 12 ounces of water with your favorite flavor. Shake well before drinking. In at number 3 we have COR-Performance Whey from the company Cellucor. Ingredients of per serving of COR-Performance: 24 grams protein and 5.2 grams BCAA. COR-Performance is gluten-free. It is helping many athletes around the world to achieve their fitness goals. It can also be used as pre- and post-workout supplement. COR-Performance also contains digestive enzymes which makes it easily digestible for everyone. Per serving of COR-Performance costs $0.71. It is available in 2 sizes and 2 flavors. These flavors are whipped vanilla and molten chocolate. Directions of taking COR-Performance is to mix its 2 scoops in 5 to 6 ounces of water. It can also be taken twice a day. In at number 4 we have Platinum Hydro Whey from well-known company Optimum Nutrition. Ingredients of per serving of Platinum Hydro Whey are 30 grams protein and 9 grams BCAAs. It is easily and quickly digestible because of the presence of digestive enzymes. Platinum Hydro Whey helps in gaining and maintaining muscle mass. It also helps in increasing the recovery rate of the muscles. Platinum Hydro Whey is helping bodybuilders around the world to let them feed their muscles without any serious causes. Per serving of Platinum Hydro Whey costs $1.70 per serving. And it is available in 2 sizes and 2 flavors. These flavors are Turbo Chocolate and Velocity Vanilla. Mix 1 serving of Platinum Hydro Whey to a glass filled with 10 to 12 ounces of cold water, milk, and shake until powder is dissolved. Now you are good to go. In at number 5 we have Signature 100% Whey Protein Powder by the company Bodybuildingcom. Signature 100% Whey is the 25 grams blend of 3 strong protein powders and also BCAAs. It is very easy to digest because it contains digestive enzymes. These enzymes increase the rate of digestion. Signature 100% Whey helps in gaining weight and muscle mass. It can also be consumed as pre- and post-workout supplement. Per serving of Signature 100% Whey costs $0.60. It is available in 3 sizes and 5 flavors. These flavors are oatmeal cookie, matcha cappuccino, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. The directions for taking Signature 100% Whey: mix its 1 scoop with 6 ounces of water with your favorite flavor. Shake well and enjoy. Hopefully, you guys like this video. Please share your thoughts and expert opinion with the YouTube family in the comment section of this video. Please do visit a nutritionist and dietitian in your routine because it is very important to have dietitian on board when you are taking some dietary product. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. Hope you will like this video. Please like this, do comments, and share your thoughts about Fitness Feast. Subscribe and press the bell icon for instant updates of the Fitness Feast.